Hey guys, going to answer a question that I've been wanting to ask. Can I trade long stocks with StockstoTrade? Well, I absolutely, after looking at this chart for the last 10 minutes, I would say yes. So don't be shy. You have a great product here. So let's just watch what actually happens. So I'm going to enlarge this as large as I can, if they let me. Yeah, there we go. All right. And I'm going to do what I normally do. I'm going to cut it and just draw with what's going on. So with Apple, it makes it easy. So we're going to click here. So let's just look at the SNRs. Bouncing off of that, kind of a little pre-market. They have like 24-hour sessions on certain stock now. And now getting closer to normal volume, I think you start seeing normal things where the stock goes up, tests support, and then bounces, tests resistance, goes over, comes back down, and then goes up to, and then it comes down, bounces on support, kind of tested a little aggressively. It broke trend, so it's probably going to happen again, and sure it does. Breaks down again, starts regaining, because this is the price apparently once during the day started, that's the price they wanted to stay. So now the stock went back up. It broke here. If you see this wick, it came back down, tested, and broke up. So you could have used that as resistance and support. Also, you'll see it yellow. I think that is a sign where it's transitioning from a short to long biased. Coming up here, bouncing. So right there, that channel is pretty easy. I mean, that's 50 cents on a major cap stock. You're pretty balling, actually. And then you come down here, it breaks, comes back out, test it one more time. So you could have got this. Traveled all the way up there, tried to go a little bit more, tried to go a little bit more, could not do it. But it did go that channel too. And then it started breaking down. And then when you see it usually break a support, it'll actually break down pretty strong and then retest it. So let's say how would you have traded that? Well, pre-market high was here. Could have traded that. When it started retrending and start trending back up, maybe you've seen this because you're basically trading SNR levels. I think this is how Luke does it. This is how I used to do it. And now that the stocks are kind of getting a little conky or you're thinking it's sideways, there's actually stuff going on here. So if it's bouncing off this channel, you don't trust it, wait for it to trust yourself and maybe take it in here. And then here's your head and shoulders. Breaks down. It never broke those highs, so it wasn't regaining anything, and then it just broke down. If you're shorting, you could have shorted here. That's usually confirmation. Another confirmation is that when it retests here, it did test it a couple times. Usually Friday afternoon, you can say goodbye to some stock, and then it breaks here. Now, if you're scared of shorting here, you can wait for it to retest there and enter there. But eventually, you're going to be start shorting at some kind of top because it's just going to go retest the same area somewhere else. And yeah, you'll see that line all the way through today right here. You'll see that line. All right. Well, I was just checking it out for a large cap. StockstoTrade's really good. I use it when I can't find something or when I'm testing out other things. I definitely want to know what's important. And, you know, for some stuff, if you watch a lot of YouTubes and you pay for a lot of education, and a lot of it's very subjective and it has to happen. Well, this has happened before the day happened. All these lines were drawn by Oracle. So very good support and resistance. And, you know, I told them before, if I ever had to pay you the yearly fee I paid for a lifetime just for the SNRs, I would. So y'all have a great day. That's just using STT to find out the SNRs on large cap stocks who want to gravitate toward those.